Boo! Oh, yeah? Well, you're going home in a box!
I think I'll have you for dessert.
We are a race of Zeti known as the Deadly Sex.
Pay for that!
Wait, 1 second you're contemplating genocide, and now you're talking about having tea parties? How juvenile. You know, you're kinda cute.
Bad news is actually the one thing I enjoy.
Hey, you like to play games, huh? Since you're so upbeat, how about we play the I'm going to skin you alive game? It's fine. Mine is especially black and fattening. I long for death's cold embrace anyway.
Your time is almost over, Ash Hedgehog.
Of course not! UPS ground with no tracking! Hopefully you get lost in the mail like that one white hedgehog we shipped about a month ago!
Playtime is over, Hedgehog.
Who are you? Shut up, woman!